Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select wallpaper and style and click on change wallpaper. Now select the source from which you want to select this picture. It can be some from a featured wallpaper, gallery picture, one from graphical or color wallpaper. Then you can also enter wallpaper services and set, for example, dynamic lock screen. Actually, I do love it, so let me choose, for example, docs. Download. You just need to have network connection to apply one from dynamic lock screens. So this one is applied. Let's change home screen as well. For example, with this picture, just switch off lock screen as we want to have this dynamic one. Next, done. And that's it. As you can see, home screen is changed and so is lock screen. So now the dynamic lock screen is with different picture for each tab. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.